How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do extreme veiny hand exercises, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Okay, so the first exercise that we are going to do is going to be extensions. Again, it's going to be extreme, so it's going to be tough. $100, perfect. Quick little break. So 100 total repetitions, that's pretty intense, you guys. We're gonna do curls now. It's 50, keep going. $80, keep going. $100, again, another 100 reps, 200 repetitions in total. Quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do this. This is a great way to get veins popping. Perfect, so end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.